Hi, I'm Doug Ray of the Wealth Guardians. Join me and National Social Security Advisor Hamilton Morales on November the 7th or 12th at 6:30 p.m. at our Clemens office for this year's final workshop, Social Security Planning, what you need to know now. Hamilton is a walking, talking encyclopedia of everything Social Security, and he's backed by popular demand. We'll answer questions, cover strategies that you can use to build a strong foundation for retirement income. With the changing markets and increased inflation, it's more important than ever to know how to get the most benefit over your lifetime. There's no cost, no obligation. Seats are going to be limited. And if you haven't started receiving your Social Security benefits, you're going to want to attend this workshop. Check out the link below or visit thewealthguardians.com/events and register today.